Hello everyone, hello. तीन बातें, three things I have to share. I have solution for life and death. I have solution for corona disease, and I have solution for yoga. Life and death solution ये है कि you can become immortal. आप डेथ को जीत सकते हैं and you will never die premature. Yes, you will not never die premature without your own desire. आप जब तक चाहते हो आप जीवित रह सकते हो. कोई भी डिसीज़, कोई भी एक्सीडेंट, कोई भी इवेंट आपको मार नहीं सकता until you yourself give up to die. Like old age, very old age, when you cannot move, there is no point. So I've got a solution, real solution, that in the past time ancient rishis, gods have practiced to live in this earth, and they have lived for thousand and thousand years. So that's the first solution, life and death solution. Second solution is corona related disease. I have the solution. I have been practicing various vidyas, various way of worshipping, various way of yoga sadhana, which helps me cure corona disease as well as other diseases. I have been facing corona kind of symptoms time to time for last 2 years, because I know who creates that symptom in body, why it is created, and how to cure it. So all of sudden cogs, sudden running nose, sudden stomach ache, or sudden senseless. I know why it happens, which body part influence it, and how to deal with it, how to live, keeping all those symptoms aside. Even if that is there within your body system, it won't show up until unless you are able to control it. You know how to deal with it from the early morning to at the end of the night. Third thing, yoga. I know a special Ashtanga yoga that only Mahakal Rishi in India, Ujjain, who recommended long time before 2000, 100 years back, and it was republished by many guru and rishis, and finally 2003 it was published. So in his Mahakal Samhita, he has clearly mentioned what the world people needs to do in the coming future to deal with all the problems they will face. So क्या ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अभी जो हो रहा है? इज़ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम, राइट? तो उसके लिए जो रामदेव या दूसरे योगा गुरु ऋषि योगा टीचिंग करते हैं इंडिया में, सिमिलरली that is just a there's just, let's say, 40 to 50% about it what they are teaching. There is more to it. There is more knowledge to it. There is more know how your body know how to do it, and there is more dhyan. There is more pratyahar. There is more samadhi. So you are only getting teaching of only first a few parts, yam niyam, but there are rules. And the Rudra Rishi says people dharma is sarva dharma is to do Ashtanga yoga. Now, to do Ashtanga yoga itself is a challenge, not only at body level but also the situation level, where you have to be as good as like Shiv, as good as Shiva, to do those, to obey everything, to follow the laws, and to make it uh, perfect as Rudra Shiva. Okay, so until unless, so if you are doing Ashtanga yoga for men especially, you are definitely you are controlling your body. Neither you're not allowing other energies outside the body to control you. So Ashtanga yoga, that's the third part. So life and death situation is through meditation, through special technique. There are special mantras that even Markandeya Rishi, Narad Muni, or Hanumanji, or even Parsuramji, or Sri Mahakalji, that they used to chant it. That's a big mantras, Sanjivani mantras, that was given to Sukracharya by Shiva to save life of others, even to awake dead from and give them life. So, so that kind of knowledge is already been discussed by Simahakal Rishi in the past time for the benefit of people. He has directed, Shiva has directed all the Bhairavas who were born out of him to publish the Granthas and Upanishad, which can benefit people in the coming period in the entire Kali Yuga, where there is no other resources, there is no other knowledge how to deal with COVID or any kind of disease that is coming. Not only corona, but also any kind of disease free. And the sadhu, then the uh, sannyasi people who are spending about minimum 30 years, 5 years each for each stage of sannyas life. That 30 years of life and the benefit out of it you can gain within 3 years of your time with bhakti and devotion. If you have true bhakti for Shiva and Shakti, then this is the best way. For, for Shiva way, if you are a follower of Vaishnava, Vishnu, or Shiva, then Ashtanga Yoga is best way to cure yourself, and throughout the day you keep practicing and nothing will touch you. And if you are a Shakti follower, you are family man, if you have family life with children, then you have to follow Shakti. Shakti followers will have to do lot of sadhana, lot of mantras every day to purify the body, to purify themselves, and to worship them, worship Shiva and Shakti, and keep children and yourself strong and alive. So these are two ways. So even the gods, all gods, Tridev, as well as other demigods, everyone has done to live in this earth with sadhana, with Mahakal Yoga Gyan, and they practiced it before to live in this earth for a long time and defeated lot of asuras and demons in their life. So, so it is that yogic time that you spend that will gain you the power in your knowledge and your body to fight with the evils. I hope this clears. And I have already published the Ashtanga Yoga Gyan on shivabhaktiyoga.com, shivbhaktiyoga.com, but I see that there are still new cases emerging in India as well as other countries. I have already intimated other countries the yogic technique to follow as soon as possible for the benefit of people who are just overweight and do not have control over their immunity system. So I still see that there are cases news coming that it's rising every day in all part of the country, and the biggest reason for all this is that they don't know how to deal with it. Correct? They are waiting for a miracle medicine to come, vaccination to come. Until then they are left to die, but that's not the solution. Before the medicine plants even get appear, please do share the knowledge, this video and the link to the people, common people, so that by just reading it they will be, purify their body, and disease will not touch. By reading it, the website, by practicing it, the half of it, the rest half of it, they will gain slowly and steadily their own strength. Without money, with less food, they can live, they will not die. Even if they have to walk a long time to reach home, they still can gain life every day. They walk, they make their journey in the life. So the death won't occur. That is assured by Rudra Shiva. The death won't occur who does it, who practice it every day, or even at least once in 15th day, which is the 15th day of fortnight. So 2 times in a month. So that's that much emphasis is given by Shiva and Shakti that time, when they published, when they were among gods, when they were living among us like human secretly, as a Bhairava, and they published all this Kal Samhita for the benefit of people. I knew this before. I have tried to intimate every message of it through all the channels that I have access to, but people are not sharing, neither they are practicing, because they do not believe it, that within ourselves, without depending on hospital and doctor, we can be good at on our own terms, like the other Rishi Muni gods or normal people even they practiced earlier. So please share this. This could be, I don't like to talk a lot in explaining a lot. That's why I write it for the benefit of people, because every word you speak, you are losing some life. Yes, everything that you talk a lot, you fight a lot, you say any negative to anyone, is all ways to take your life. So I want to leave it on a positive note, that I hope after 3 months of struggle, you people will still share this to the people who need it at the most, whether they are rich or poor, but they can be on their own just by having access to the website and practicing or reading itself. So thank you very much.